Thank you, Honorary Secretary. Chief guest for inauguration of the 80th Annual Conference of the Association of Surgeons of India, Honorable Justice Shri G. Raghuram. Mr. President, Dr. P. Raghuram, Honorary Secretary, Dr. Sanjay Jain, Honorary Treasurer, Dr. C.R.K. Prasad, all the members of the Executive Committee, life members, associate members, and all the registered delegates. I stand here today as your chosen Vice President for the year 2020 and incoming President for the year 2021. I have come through to this position having traveled through the grassroots of the membership. First, I was the Executive Committee member of the state, then went on to become the Treasurer and ultimately President of the State Chapter of Maharashtra in 2013. Through generous support from the Indian members of the association, I became a Governing Council member in 2012, now known as the Executive Committee, and I held the term for 2 full terms till 2018. Having been voted to the post of Vice President 2020 and President 2021, the Executive Committee, including me, were all excited to continue the National Skill Enhancement Program, the Torrent Young Surgeon Award, also known as the Regional Refresher Course, and the annual conference at Visakhapatnam. While NSEP courses were held on schedule, Corona struck the world, including India. Everything went on hold as per the guidelines issued by the relevant ministries of India. I have to congratulate Dr. P. Raghuram, the President, who created opportunity through adversity. Raghu, if I may permit it to address the President in that way, jumped into fire for the rescue of fellow citizens by generating funds through himself, the state chapter, and the association, and supplied PPEs and sanitizers across the country. The support of our membership in achieving this at a very short notice tells us the internal unity of this association for betterment of every patient and healthcare worker. In an association of people, ego is one's own enemy. Man in any position should not allow the ego to prevail. That is exactly what Dr. Raghu has done, and I wish to carry it forward. When you sit in a chair of impartiality like a judge, I commend Raghu's efforts to streamline further many of the activities of the Association of Surgeons of India. I pledge here to continue to adhere to the Constitution of the Association of Surgeons of India, and with the consensus of the Executive Committee and the general membership, continue to enhance the image of Association of Surgeons of India in my term as a president. Thank you so much.